This fool already giving up. He did like 2 pumps, bro.
2 pumps.
You did 2 pumps. Your knees is zip tie. JDM as fuck, bro. Best fog light 2021. Gains, come on, bro. What is up, guys? We are back for another vid. We got the boy here today. Sheesh. Yup.
For the Miata.
Fuck yeah, boys.
It's gonna be dope.
It's gonna go down.
I'm sure you guys will build after.
Yup, and install too. It's gonna be dope. Gains, come on, bro. Hey man. Jerry is wrong.
If anyone says you can pop that out, I don't know. I'd like to see it.
We need to see. Subscribers, let us know if you guys think we can pop that out.
It's a drip.
See the new drip, Mario? Bring it close. Sheesh.
My boy.
What a baller. This guy just sitting on my yard. Just chilling, bro. Alright, Mario, you want to show him what parts you got we're going to install first?
We got the we got the reverse lights.
Yeah.
Brakes. And then we got our license plate. And then we got a module for the brake light to blink this way.
And this is the new LED one.
LED. And then we got our mats.
Yep, new mats.
And then we got a little gift. Oh, shoot.
Look at this guy. They love him.
We got a little gift. No?
Let me see. You're sweet.
You want him?
Aww.
I don't know. Let me get him.
Sheesh, guys, these are the mats. They look pretty sick. Look at that.
Oh, you cleaned it.
Let's install them, Mario.
Did you clean it?
Oh.
Goes this way, huh?
Yep.
Trees looks bad.
Dope.
That bad boy in here.
Hey, that's clean. Way better.
I got him, but I'm gonna wait.
Sheesh. They're dope.
I thought that was to get more light in.
Yeah, actually. Ooh. It looks good.
Hey.
Dope. First install. Alright, pop the chunk. Alright, guys, so there's 2 10mm bolts, and you just take them out. To take out this to install his new LED one. Bank reel, just pulled up. Alright, we got the old jank one out.
What the heck?
Fuck that shit. Fuck that. Yeah. Compare them, put them side to side so they can see.
LEDs.
Ooh.
Dope, huh? And then you come back.
Go. Nice. Never going back now, man.
No.
Alright, now we're taking the tail lights out. It's just 10mm also.
Are
you sure?
So you can see. 10s. This is dope, guys. Just to take it out. Just like that. So you guys don't even have to unscrew the thing. Alright, guys, so this is the LED reverse light. So this is the LED reverse light, and this is the brake light. We got them in. So to put them in, you just push down and you twist. There's like little things right there. You see how it inserts? Right there.
Wait, why did
Alright, brake?
Got blinking bulbs. I didn't know it would work like that.
Press the brakes. Oh, it's the flashing ones? Oh, that's kind of
flashing.
Fuck. Alright, put your reverse. Oh,
It's way better.
that's so much better. Alright, so since the brake lights flash 2 times, we're not going to install the module no more because it'll be too much. So now we're just installing
You want both of them, Lincoln? Oh wait.
this
So I should just
like that. Alright, guys, so we put the wire together.
Not your best form of connection. I would recommend soldering, but
This is what we
spices
can
will
do.
Garage
We're
best
just
spices.
doing that. Alright, so
Wait, how do you
we
know
installed the LED.
Which one's
They're
mechanical?
light. Let's see how it looks.
Oh, it
Whoa.
Hey.
So much better. Huh?
It just died.
Those are the reverse.
No. Wait, I'll put the car in accessories.
Let's see the rotors.
What is this?
The brake fluid. Oh, little baby rotors.
Guys, these are the rotors.
Sheesh. Look at little baby rotors.
He's not even saying. I don't think he's texting
Oh,
him
it's a
for shit.
Weddy.
Hey, my boy.
What brand?
Just like these.
Hey, this summer on the cup.
All right, now we're jacking it up to install
Go higher.
the rotors.
Higher?
This fool already giving up. You did like 2 pumps, bro.
2 pumps.
You did 2 pumps, bro. 2 pump chump. Slow RC. Just came from the gym or what?
Slotted.
Just came from the gym or what? Yeah, I feel you. All right, guys, we have a little break to eat. Let's see that, Mario.
Got a shrimp burrito.
Smack, bro. That shit's
Got the
big,
guac
bro.
right here.
Yes, sir. Agua de limon. You already feel me, you know? Got my chips right there, my salsa. Yes, sir. Sheesh, guys. We took a break from Mario's rotors.
Not this side. Not this side.
Whoa. Sheesh. We got the squad, bro. Just got my old wheels now. Sheesh. Boy, Chris.
Whoa, did you forget to put that mold in?
Sheesh, bro. We do need a zip tie. JDM as fuck, bro. Best fog light 2021.
Parking lot from Japan?
Alright, guys, we're back the next day. We're gonna finish up his rotors today. We're installing the drills and slotted. Gotta upgrade it. And yeah, we're gonna get this done today, guys. Okay, guys, so for the calipers to take them off, it's just gonna be this bolt right here behind the caliper, and then the one down there. You see me pointing it right there. So those 2 bolts. Let's take off the caliper. Also forgot to mention, this is for the rear of the car, and you're gonna be removing this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and that's gonna be with a 10mm. All right, so next we're putting on the bracket with the bolts. We're torquing them down to 40 foot-pounds of torque, and we're gonna do that. All right, guys, so if you guys are struggling to retract the piston, all you gotta do is take out this bolt back here. What size was it?
14mm.
14mm, and you just get a 4mm hex socket, and you just twist it, and it'll just retract it back in, guys. And that's it. Let's go, bro.
Get my glove.
On Webbo's way. Okay, guys, so for the front rotors, all you're gonna do is take off this bolt right here and this bolt back down here, just like right here, just like the back, and then this bolt right here. They're all 14s. Once you take this bolt out, this will open up, and you can take out the brake pads. Then you can take these out, and you can pull off the whole caliper to change your rotor. Okay, so this one you just finish it, pop it out like that, and then just open it up. You pry it open. Okay, so yeah, you just put it in here and you just pry it open like that. Oops, and yeah, just like that, it pops open, guys. Just take them out like that. Satisfying. All right, guys, 7 hours later, 1 lunch break later, we finally did it. Mario, what do you think?
I think it came out clean, bro.
We just need to paint your brakes, man. We need to paint your brakes.
First of all.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Stop test.
Stop test.
Well, first you need to torque down the rims.
Yeah.
Check on me.
Ah. All right. Brake test. Break it. Yep. On the dime. That's the dime. All right, guys. Running the day. Mario, what do you think?
Came out pretty clean. Got the rotors on. We got like a little few problems. But we'll fix it on later.
Hey, we'll get it fixed. All right. Late. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let us know what you guys thought about this vid. See you later.